Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a domain shard in Jujutsu Infinite on Roblox step by step. I'm going to cover every confirmed method so that you can pick the fastest one for your playstyle. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you need to know is domain shard is one of the rarest items and most of the players waste the hours farming it in only one way. So the first method of getting it is with the help of the chest farming, which is, I would say, the most common method. So this is the standard grind. Domain shard can drop from the chests, but the drop rate is extremely low, around 0.1%, which is roughly 1 in 1000 chests. And now here is the practical tip. If you have luck boosting passives like Sorcerer Killer or high end imaginary demon passives, your odds get a small boost. It's not magic, but it over long sessions it actually helps. Now, the second method is with the help of the cursed market in the Zen forest. So this is for the late game players. Domain shards can sometimes appear in the cursed market at the Zen forest, but it usually costs a cozy amount of resources. Now, most of the players report needing the stuff like energy nature scrolls or purified cursed hands, golden back cats, and jade lotuses, and even demon fingers. So don't depend on this unless you are stacked. Now, the next option that I can give you is trading. The domain shard is tradable. So if you already have the rare items or extra resources, trading is honestly the quickest shortcut. So you need to go to the trade hub, negotiate, and you can completely skip the RNG chest grind. So this is how you can get domain shards in Jujutsu Infinite. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.